We're the Ruff family, and we own our power. We have 26 ground-mounted solar panels installed by Powerhome Solar, and we survived Hurricane Florence, and so did our panels.
During the storm, I did take a look outside, and the panels were just wobbling just a little bit, so that made me feel a lot more comfortable. The value of the solar panels has been everything that Powerhome said they would be.
In our case, I know that's not every case, but in our case, it more than offset the difference in the power bill. We saved money day one. Having had solar for almost a year, my biggest reflection is the joy that I've made a wise financial investment.
I think people should get solar because it is a wonderful investment and it helps the environment.
It's good to spread the word out there that solar is awesome. It's very successful. It works.
We're the Ruff family, and we own our power.